So, in this video, I will show you how to use the BOOKME app. By now, you should have already signed in as a BOOKME provider and have your business profile set up and active. If you don't, please do so now by following the instructions in our How to Sign In and Set Up Your Business Profile video. To go online, make sure your BOOKME app is open and all you need to do is click on this green button right here. You'll notice a circle on top that will be spinning, and also you'll see your location. You may be asked to enable location services, so if you haven't done it prior to opening the app, please do it now. I am now online and waiting for job offers from customers. While waiting for job offer to come, you can use other apps on your phone. Just make sure that prior to going to another app, you're online. To ensure the BOOKME app is online, once you switch to another app, you need to go to your notification center and you should see the message BOOKME background mode enabled. As you can see on the screen. If you don't see this message, it means that you are not online and you would not get any bookings. So make sure you're online before switching to any other apps. Having the BOOKME background mode enabled while using other apps on your phone will ensure that you're online and ready to receive booking requests. Okay, here is a job offer. Okay, its customer is in just residences management. They're offering 350, which is fine with me, so I will confirm the offer. There may be other providers that have also confirmed that they would like to provide their services to the customer. It is up to the customer to select which provider will do the service for them. In this scenario, the customer will pick our service. When the customer has picked us, we'll see the following screen and notification that your bid was successful. So again, just gives you the customer details, and now I see this customer has not put in a unit number, so I'll message him now to get the full details using the in-app chat. That will be the little chat box right here. Simply click on the arrow to send the message. So this message now goes to your customer and we just need to wait for their response. Okay, and we got a response. Unit 999, just residence Makati. Okay, we're just gonna thank the customer quickly. Okay, now we're gonna close the chat by clicking on the X button here, and since now we have the full details, we can head towards the job, and we need to click on I'm on the way, the green button. It's once we arrive at the lobby or the customer premises, or whether it's a house or a unit, we just need to confirm that we have arrived at the location. Before we start the service, we need to make sure that we change the status in the app to start service and then proceed to deliver the required service to the customer. Since the customer's booking is for 1 hour, I will complete the service just about 5-10 minutes after the 1 hour is over, so that my customer doesn't feel like I have rushed, and I will end the service by clicking End Service. Then billing and payment. Once you have ended the service, you will see the billing invoicing screen. Here we will review the invoice and make sure everything is correct. So We have 1 hour service fee is $3.50, which is correct. I did not have any other expenses, and also I did not ask customer for any add-ons prior to beginning the service. Everything looks good to me, and I will now send it to the customer for approval. Just click on the customer approval button. You should ask the customer to check the invoice on their phone to make sure everything is correct. And also, if they wish to add a tip, they should note it down under the tip section and approve the invoice. This is the time to ask the customer for the payment, and once the payment transaction is completed, you can click on Finish to close the job. You are now back to your dashboard and ready to accept more jobs. Okay, here is another offer. Now, from what I can see, this customer is a bit far away from my current location, and also is only offering 250 pesos for 1 hour Swedish massage. Now, since I don't think that this is fair for me, I will counter offer the customer by changing the offer amount to 500. And clicking on counter bid. Just so that the customer understands why I want to charge him 500 for 1 hour, I'll message the customer privately to explain. Just by clicking on the chat with the customer from within inside the offer. Okay, so in this case, since my normal rate is 350, but the customer is far, I'm adding 150 pesos for transport. And I will send it to them. Now it's up to the customer whether they want to accept my booking or not. Okay, so customer responded that they understand what has happened. Again, it is up to the customer if they will accept the offer. In this case, the customer has rejected our offer, and you see you got a notification saying your bid was rejected. The rejection on the offer could have been due to multiple reasons, such as the customer received a bid from a provider that has either matched his price or bid lower than us, or maybe there was a provider that was simply closer to his location. You can simply just close the job so it doesn't appear on your screen by clicking the X and wait for other jobs to come along. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any trouble setting up, please do not hesitate to contact us through our in-app chat, which you can find on top of your dashboard, or through our Facebook page. Just search for BOOKME app and look for our logo. Thank you.